in the 90s, it wasn't, this wasn't, sustainability didn't come off your lips easily. It was something that uh, uh, in fact, it wasn't popular. I mean, we're just getting out of and really feeling the effects, even in the 90s, of the Milton Friedman proclamation that the most important social responsibility for business is to maximize profit for the shareholders. And that was the norm. That was what people were thinking about in business, and regrettably still pretty prevalent. But the idea that it is changing, and there's no question, and there's more openness to it now. But I was really drawn to the idea of how can we have a place where employees, I've come to embrace the phrase where they know their value. And when you put that as the bar, where and not feel, not think, but they know that they're valued by their employer for who they are as a person and for the work they do. And that to me was the interesting part. I wanted to be able to create a place where people wanted to come to work, where they felt that this was a place that cared for them and worked with them in a way which they could feel like this is where they want to be forever. And that was what drove me to think about how do we do this better? And that was, I came at from the social side. We ended up going into the environmental side. I mean, we've been a zero waste to landfill place for over a decade. And it's that all is important to us. We use a lot of recycled materials and so on. And we have been doing now for probably 15, 18 years. We've been doing our triple bottom line report. So it's one that evolved from our social impact side and then brought in the environmental side. But to Stu's point, we did not start with the environmental, we started with social.